some money? Yeah, 350. We're gonna go down by the river. Sorry. Any place along here is fine though. Yeah, you just drop us over here before the gate. Is good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good here. Like your pretty dress. Yellow, your favorite. Okay, thank you. In my wallet. I was going to say, give him that $1. Boom. All right. Sorry, I was walking fast. Hi, I'm Tom from Tom's World, and we're here in Old Market, Siem Reap, Cambodia. It's a beautiful day. Almost sunset. There's lots of people out today. It's usually not that crowded, but it's Saturday night. That's what it is. We'll wait for Leah to head up to me. She's going to the ATM, and then we'll walk over to the canal, Riverside as they call it. In the meantime, we'll look at some of the souvenirs here. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Looks pretty busy tonight, huh? I'm sorry. Sorry. It's busy tonight, right?
Yeah.
Making lots of money?
No,
Yeah. I'm just waiting on my wife. There she is. Yeah, I just wanted to catch up to you. We're on there, huh? I'm not sure this is even on. I can't even know. Yeah. Busy, huh? Fruit shakes, $1 a piece. With alcohol, $2. Pin pancakes, banana, Nutella, and chocolate. We go over here and walk to the night market. Got this beautiful bridge here. Nobody's watching. I said nobody's watching. Yeah. All right. Still makes a video though, you know. It's pretty, huh? Which way? Yeah, we'll go to night market for a minute. Super bright, huh? Just think of all these people in the United States. They're over there freezing their asses off right now, huh? Over here, so nice and well. I guess it's not. I guess it's not cold there now. Last month it was cold. It's very nice, pretty. All right. Slow in here right now because it's night market. We'll go down towards the canal. Right there, right? It's hot. It's hot here in Cambodia. She wants me to buy something for you. She was pointing at the jewelry and then pointing at you.
But I have
Let's walk in this side, huh? Hello, how are you?